On a scale of 1 to 10, how uncomfortable are you talking about farting in public?
Not very.
No, not. Oh, maybe 7.
Uncomfortable.
How uncomfortable?
3.
Very much, I know.
Very uncomfortable.
1 to 10. 5 or 6. Yeah. 10. 10.
No, it's not.
Farting? No, you're not. Okay. Do you have experience of being with a girl and she farted really badly?
No, nothing. Still now. Future maybe I try.
Try for what? Feed her chips.
Yeah, sure.
You'll feed her chips. Why? You want to see her fart?
No, not like that. Just for what will there in that we have to know that.
I didn't understand that.
What you inform me, na? That I have to get what is that? Feel.
You want to feel the fart. Okay, got it. Okay, cool. So
I'm not. 0.
9 or 10. Talking about farts in public. Not really.
10.
Nothing.
10.
10. Very uncomfortable. I think 10.
Do guys fart more or do girls fart more?
I don't know.
Do you girls control or the smell or the sound of a fart in public?
Just ignore it. Maybe act normal. And then just talk about. We don't talk about it. Just keep quiet. That's it.
Use silencer.
I don't know. Actually, I don't know what to answer for this question.
Have you in your experience seen that a silent fart is more killer than a loud fart?
Yeah. Yeah, actually.
Yes.
Have you ever farted so badly that a bird died somewhere?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, it was really nice speaking to you. Have a nice day. Suppose you were like on a date with a guy and he let one rip, like one which killed a bird on a branch somewhere. Okay, so would you break it off with that guy?
No.
Would you give him some kind of a pill?
Maybe, yeah.
But when you're on a date, have you ever got a very bad smell from your significant other?
Yeah.
Or have any friends that really fart badly?
Yeah. Actually, my office is right here. I think a lot of people fart in there.
Yeah.
In your experience with girls, when you're around them, have you ever got the smell or sound of a fart?
I don't think so. No.
What is their secret, man?
What do you mean by what's the secret?
How come girls you never get the smell? Around guys, many times you have got it, right? Yeah.
Maybe they use good perfume.
So if you're on a date with a very handsome guy and he farted like a very loud fart and it killed a bird somewhere, would you break up with him or friend zone him?
No, I think it's natural, so I would stick around. Yeah.
Okay, so in my experience with girls, I found that I never get the smell or the sound of a fart when you girls are around. What's your secret?
I don't know. Do you?
Design an anti-fart underwear. Would you pick it up?
No.
Why?
It's just a natural thing. Why should?
Yeah, maybe, yeah. Fart, yeah, obviously.
Is that because you fart a lot?
Not that. I wouldn't buy it. No.
Why is that?
Sounds good.
I would give it to him. Yeah.
Do you have any friends that you would want to give it to except this one? Okay, really?
I'm not going to buy it also. I'm not going to send it also.
I don't fart, so it's okay.
Yeah, I
Would you wear it personally or would you gift it to somebody?
gift it rather.
For formal occasions?
Maybe.
Suppose,
Maybe. No, I wouldn't.
would you gift that to your friend maybe?
No, she doesn't fart.
Would you gift that to anybody?
Maybe.